Today we are installing a new backplate on our Glock 22. This little piece right here. As always, before we start working on the gun, we always make sure it is unloaded. You see no rounds are in the chamber. You can take a little flashlight, shine it on down in there. Alright, gun is completely empty. So, eject the mag, decock, small pull back, remove the slide. Alright, now if you look closely, get that closer to the camera, right there is a little plastic fire pin cup. In order to get the back plate off, you have to depress that. So you take your tool, put it underneath the firing pin, press it down. Now, you're going to need both hands to do this because as you press down, you then have to slide this out. Now mind you, you want to keep pressure on this back plate because the firing pin and the ejector pin are both under pressure in there. So as you slide it out, you'll feel it come up and hit your hand. That, just like so. See, there's the old plate. There is your firing pin cup. And there's your ejector pin. Now, we are installing a custom engraved backplate. This is from Bastion. They are located here in Oregon. Seems to be a good company, but there are many different types. I went with the Spartan helmet with the Moanab, which means come take them in Latin. In order to install, real simple. Once again, you just press down. See how that goes in? Slide a little further. Take your tool, press in, and locks right into place. And that's how you install your new slide back. Then assembling the gun. It's the same as always. And then you're ready to rock and roll.